Fun time! Who's that? Is that a witch?
No, this is she's not a witch. She is my ate. She looks like scary. Later on morning, she scared me like a monster.
Okay, you're like a monster.
I don't like monsters.
So what are you doing? You're cleaning up?
Yeah.
Cleaning up what? Is that a kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh, your kitchen is pretty. Who made that?
Nanay!
Oh! You made a mess again. So what will you do?
I will tape this later.
Okay, so you will... Oh, so these are not fruits and vegetables.
They are toys.
They are toys. So you sorted them. You separated the fruits from the vegetable.
Where's our mop?
No, don't use the mop.
Look at the
It's
mop.
dirty. Your mop. Oh, your mop is dirty.
I will clean it up.
Oh, I like your chairs.
It's broken.
It's broken. You bring it to the side.
Okay. Don't turn off the video.
Alright.
I'm sitting down.
No, just put it on the side. I will fix that.
Wait, I will
Who's that?
Lolly.
Who's that?
Lolly.
Hattie. What's
I
that?
will put this on the side.
Okay, you will mop.
The ball. Ball.
Alright.
I don't like it. Let's put the map over.
Kay Buboy ba yan?
Okay. Buboy got it.
Is that your bed? Whose pillow is the smiley one?
Mine.
And the Dora?
Mine.
Yeah, that's yours.
I will put the map beside.
So how do you sleep on your bed? Can you show me?
Like this.
Oh.
Turn off the lights.
Turn off the lights. Ayun. Wow! Oops!
It's so dark. Yeah. Wait, let's put all of our.
You can clear it up.
I know.
And clear up.
Wait, I will just put the map. It's broken. Oh no. I don't like it.
Okay.
Our toys are messy. Hey.
Nana is going inside the room na. You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We're cleaning up. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe.
Today. It's our first time. It's our fourth video.
Fourth video. Say bye.
Bye-bye.